We're gonna buy some. What was on the list? Oh, I also need to buy
An ice cream or two kinds of ice cream, depending on what we're doing.
I need to buy laundry detergent.
Nice.
I need to buy laundry detergent and there was something else. Oh right, I needed to buy like those little containers. There's like these little containers. They like emit a good smelling odor.
Oh, the Febreze
Yeah.
scented plugger of things.
Yeah, if you live with like a roommate, that like eats spicy noodles, like at 2 a.m. in the morning, you're gonna need those because they have the maddest farts, bro.
Hey, shout out to Abdu. Now, last time I made one of these, we chilled it overnight.
We what?
We chilled it overnight, put it in the freezer at night, and ate it in the morning. So hopefully, well, not in the morning, but we ate it at night the next day. So
Hopefully it
we'll
freezes.
see how this goes.
Yeah, maybe it's just a pile of goop.
I guess ice cream next. That's
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
Right?
Mint cookies and cream. They have that?
We just left Walmart with the goods, the laundry detergent.
That's just for me. That's not for you.
What do
Unless
you
you're
mean?
gonna make like
We're not putting on the ice cream
laundry
cake?
detergent cake.
Dude, let's do it. Go back, get Tide Pods too as a topping. My God.
You gonna eat that?
Hell no.
That's what I thought. We need a pan.
Yes,
What do we need a
pan.
pan for?
To make the cake in,
Take
take us to Otani, the Japanese place where they like do all the fancy cooking stuff, their hands and stuff.
like a hibachi place.
Yes.
Okay.
They cook in front of you on this big thing.
Okay.
And like, they could like spin their utensils stuff.
Okay,
I love it.
okay.
I love watching it. But we went there, and my sister's like, "What's that?" And it's like some Asian person behind us drinking ramen, and I'm like, "What's wrong with it?" It's like, "What does it taste like?" I'm like, "I don't know. I've never had it."
Okay, senpai. Show me the goods. Okay, strong man.
Does it smell like anything?
This probably smells like ass cream.
Wow, such innovation and puns and genius.
Alright, so we got
Something I didn't consider.
a layer of ice cream,
That's not big enough.
ass cream on the bottom. That's not big enough?
We need more.
We need more?
Yeah, a little bit. Maybe like one more in that layer.
Alright, so we got a bowl. We're gonna crush the Oreos. No, the twist and shouts. We gotta be correct. Nowadays in 2019, you can't assume anything. You can't assume gender. You can't assume, like, sexual orientation. You can't even assume the type of Oreo you are.
Exactly. Because if you offend the Oreos, you won't be able to buy anymore.
Alright, so we're crushing these shits. How are you gonna crush it anyway? You're gonna use a spoon. You're just gonna punch it.
No, I'm not gonna punch Oreos.
If you I wanna see you punch it though.
No, nothing will break, and my hand will probably break instead.
Only one thing will break, and that is my hand.
Not in the bowl. That would be very smart. That's probably enough. Let me,
You know those like ancient looking like ceramic, not ceramic, but they're like stone bowls, and it's like just straight up stone like round bowl, and you got like the little mallet shit that you just crush shit in. You basically made the ghetto
mortar and
version.
pestle?
You made the ghetto version of a crushing bowl.
Okay.
where you use a regular bowl. There's so much on your face.
To Oreo Punch Out, where Jason Yin will defeat the Oreo menace. Nice job. Nice job, Jason.
I think we need to add more Oreos now because we just launched like.
This will probably be fire. This will probably be fire. If not, we can do it more.
No, we're putting whole Oreos in on.
Oh my god. Well, you can mash things.
That was really bad. Ow!
Yeah! It hurts more than you think.
This is like stepping on a Lego. Like, like
It hurts a lot more than you'd expect.
oh my god. That was so funny. My hands are like red. Oh gosh. What do they make Oreos out of?
Cookie?
That's pretty good, right? That's pretty good.
It's, probably.
That's pretty good, right? We lost some Oreos. See, some of these Oreos are kind of already broken. We can add those
We
in.
don't need to keep adding them. These are too big. Someone's got to punch them.
This one's already broken.
I'll wake up my mom. Have her punch the Oreos too.
This one's broken too.
Okay, that's fine because that's a tiny piece. This is like
Now
massive.
we just punch it. You just crush it with your hand.
This is actually infinitely easier. Why didn't we do this the entire time? My god, wow.
Just mash it up like this. Alright, Jack. I gotta pour the rest of the cookies in.
Yeah, you're right.
We're good. Yeah, go ahead. Is the ice cream at the bottom gonna be okay?
Yes.
This is probably gonna be the most. This is the shittiest cake in existence.
It's gonna work. Don't you trust me?
Yeah.
My own recipe from a friend that probably got it online.
My secret recipe that existed since yesterday night.
I don't know how much you're supposed to put in.
That just looks like straight up shit. Why does in Taiwan there's a restaurant themed around toilets, and
I think you told me this before. Yeah.
did I tell you this before? They have a toilet themed restaurant in Taiwan, and all the food there is like served in the shape of poo, and like they serve you curry that looks like diarrhea in a toilet bowl shaped like platter.
Because cocaine smells good. Cocaine smells good. Cocaine smells good.
Cocaine smells.